One challenging aspect of tile placement in the kitchen is installing tiles in the space between the wall cabinets and floor cabinets. This area, commonly referred to as the backsplash, gets its name from its practical function, protecting the wall from splashes and spills, making its purpose easy to understand. The amazing Sweet Home 3D app, as demonstrated in the previous lesson, allows us to easily place tiles on floors, walls, or specific sections of walls. It also makes it simple to add baseboards and backsplash panels, enhancing the overall kitchen design. Before placing tiles in our plan, it's important to first split the walls and define the regions where the tiles will be applied, focusing on the floor plan. To start, we select the west wall by activating the Select Objects in Plan tool and clicking on it. Once the wall is selected, we right-click and choose the Split Wall option from the menu. After splitting the wall, we select one of the segments and drag its edge to align with the end of the kitchen cabinets. We repeat the same steps on the south wall to create a new segment, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the opposite edge of the cabinets. With our environment prepared for editing objects in the 3D view, we now focus on navigating within it. To begin, right-click on the 3D view and from the menu, select Virtual Visit. Using the arrow keys, we move to the desired position, much like in a 3D video game. To pan the view, hold down the left mouse button while moving the mouse. Next, we need to determine the endpoint for the tiles, which is defined by the height of a small upper cabinet. Double-click on the cabinet to open its properties. In the Properties window, note that the elevation is set to 1.604 meters. Press OK to close the window. Double-click on the wall between the floor and wall cabinets to bring up the Modify Walls window. In this window, click on the left side Modify Baseboard button. A new window will appear. Here, check the Add Baseboard checkbox and click the Texture button. From the texture list, select Beige Tiles, then press OK. Set the tile height to 1.604 meters, aligning it with the elevation of the smaller upper cabinet. Adjust the tile thickness to the minimum possible value to prevent overlap with the countertop edge, especially for cabinet models created using Archimesh. Once the adjustments are complete, confirm by clicking OK twice. By following the same steps, we can apply the same tiles seamlessly to the west wall. In the lower right corner of the kitchen, we will extend the same tiles up to the height of the window base. By double-clicking on one of the windows, we can access its properties. In the Properties window, we see that its elevation is set to 1.11 meters. To streamline the process, we shift our focus to the floor plan to determine if the two walls in question share the same direction. To verify this, we start by clicking on the first wall to select it. Small arrows at the edges of the wall indicate its direction. Holding down the Shift key, we select the second wall as well, confirming that both walls point in the same direction. If needed, we can easily adjust the direction of the selected walls. To do this, right-click on selected walls and select Reverse Wall Direction. With both walls now pointing in the same direction, placing tiles on the left side becomes straightforward in this example. However, if the walls had different directions, tiles would need to be placed on the left side of one wall and the right side of the other. In the Virtual Visit, we select the corner wall to highlight it. By holding down the Shift key, we click on the other wall to expand our selection. On the floor menu, we select Modify Wall, and, in the window that appears, we press the left side Modify Baseboard button. In the new window, we check the Add Baseboard checkbox. By pressing the Texture button, we select the Beige Tiles texture and press OK. For the height, we enter the elevation of the windows, 1.11 meters. In the thickness field, we select the minimum possible value. By pressing OK twice, we apply the changes. In the past lessons, we've explored some of the most common tile placement techniques, ranging from simple floor tiling to creative tile combinations in the bathroom. We hope these tutorials have inspired you to enhance your own projects with confidence and creativity. If there are any other tile placement techniques or design ideas you'd like to see in future lessons, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments. We're here to help you bring your vision to life. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the upcoming tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.